Hello everyone, today I want to show you how can I join in Github. So I start my Explorer and I search in Google Github join. So I go to this website and I can make a username like David, oh no, what? Man, for example, so I can enter your email address. So it's my email address. And give a password. So, and you see on the red stars, it's very important that you make these entries, and now we must make a verification. Okay, so I finished that. Oh, it was wrong, sorry. Okay, so, okay. Now finished. Okay, so we make a verification and now we select a plan. And I'm a student. There's a reason because I take the free plan, and you must show here you have a limited to 3 collaborators for private repositories. It's very important for you. That means that you can invite 3 team members to your project, to your repository, and these collaborators can read and write in your project. So I choose that, and now I'm finished. Now you can make a tutorial, and I think that's all.